Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen, where today I'm actually not in my kitchen. I'm in beautiful Maui making a Hawaiian cocktail. I love mojitos, and today we're switching it up and making it a coconut mojito that's absolutely delicious. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do for our coconut mojito is have some fresh mint, and I'm going to use about 10 leaves of mint today. And so we can just add this all into our shaker. Today I don't have a shaker because I'm not at my home, so I'm just using 2 cups. Oh, hello, Mr. B. He's come and flown onto my mint. Do you see him? He's on my mint. Okay, that was terrifying. So just add in all of your mint, and you're just going to want to muddle this together. I don't have a muddler on me, so I'm actually using a skewer, and I'm just gonna muddle it. Now that our mint is totally muddled and nice and crushed up, we can add in our alcohols. I have some white rum from Hana Bay. This actually originally was distilled in Maui, but about 50-ish years ago they stopped because the factory closed down, so it's not here anymore, but it is still really popular in Maui. And we're going to be adding in 1.5 ounces of white rum. You can use any white rum. And I'm also going to be adding in some coconut rum. I'm using Malibu today. You can add in 1 ounce or 1 shot of Malibu. I love Malibu. It's one of my favorite rums because it adds such a nice sweetness. And also, you can't have a coconut rum without your coconut. What I'm using is real cream of coconut. This is really popular in Hawaii and it gives such a delicious flavor. And I'm going to be adding 2 shot glasses of this. Get every last drop. This stuff is liquid gold. I love it. And now my last ingredient is some lime, and I'm gonna put in the juice of 1 lime. This lime is not the juiciest, I will say. I might add in a little bit more. I've gotten as much lime juice as I can out of this one. And I'm also going to be adding in a good scoop of ice into this cup. And now we can shake this all together. Makeshift cocktail making right here. And now we can just pour this into our glass, and it has a lovely white color that I absolutely love. I'm going to top mine up with some soda water, or you can use Perrier, just some sparkling water. Oh, and that looks just so delicious. And today I'm using a straw, and you can use this to just stir it all together. Ignore that. I tend to always make a mess when I'm filming. And the last thing I'm going to put in is a sprig of mint along with a slice of lime. And this looks just so delicious, doesn't this? And this is one of my favorite mojitos. It's so tasty and so refreshing. So let's give it a try. So yummy. I love coconut, so if you are a fan of coconut, you are going to love this, and along with that fresh mint, it's so delicious. So if you like cocktails that are tropical as much as I do, there should be a playlist right here of all of my tropical Bahama cocktails, along with right here, my Hawaii series. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.